So this is one of the user story what we're covering in our Pega Mastery program. So consider this as our operator table. So we should not make any modification in the operators table. So here by default operator table will be having certain set of columns where it will be having PY skill as one column and maybe rating also as one column. Now operator 1 is skilled on Pega, maybe rating as 3. Operator 2, he has got 2 skills, out of which Pega rating is 10 and Java might be like 4. Third operator is having some skill, fourth operator is having a different skill. Now our requirement here is there must be one table created from our end and it should be having similar columns and one more extra column, something called a level. And in this table, data from operators table has to be pushed up into this one. So for that, you are supposed to schedule a job scheduler and you have to schedule an activity for that. And this activity should be pulling out all the operators who are like Pega skilled only, and that too, if there are like, if rating greater than 5, they are considered as a master. Automatically, here master should be added up. And if the Pega skill is like less than 5, so they must be considered as a medium. So you can see first record should be copied here. And second record, only this alone should be copied. And third record is .NET, it should not be considered. And fourth record will be copied. And this will be automatically set from an activity. So this is like scenario number 1. So this whole requirement is like combination of 2 scenarios. Scenario 1 is to copy the eligible Pega students into this particular table. Now, scenario 2 here is in this particular table, even you can add the records manually also. So something like XYZ and maybe Pega and something different person PQR. So he's like also like Pega skill. So we're trying to customize this table maybe with some extra columns. Now, next requirement scenario is, so you are supposed to add one more column for this table. And here column name should be is original record or not. There must be a column like is original record where value should be true, false. Now, now these first 3 records are copied from your original table. Maybe next 3 records are like what we added manually. So now you have to do something in this table and check for whether this record is already available here or not. If so, this must be considered as true. And this record again should be checked into this table and it must be considered as true. And third record also has to be identified in this table and it must be considered as true. And rest everything should be false, false, false. So this is our requirement number 2. And to make this more complicated, requirement number 2 in this particular activity, whatever you will be going now, you should not go with RDB methods or you should not go with obj open or open by handle. This is the restriction what we are putting it. So getting right, scenario number 1, you are trying to schedule an job scheduler and run an activity. And even for scenario 2 also, you have to schedule something job scheduler. You have to design one more activity. So in this activity, you should not use anywhere RDB. You should not anywhere use obj open or obj open by handle. This is the limitation. Okay, so every one of you, please try to understand these 2 scenarios. Thank you.